What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Digital Slang. Today's a little different day. We're going to talk about the Apple Card. We're going to do an unboxing of a credit card. I know it's a little weird. It's a little crazy. I've had this card here for about 2 weeks. I've been going back and forth whether or not I should do this. But here we are. I'm going to do it anyway. Why not? So let's get into it. We'll open her up. We'll take a look. We'll check out the build quality. Titanium build, laser etched from Goldman Sachs. It is a MasterCard. And once we take a look at it, I'll tell you the benefits of using the physical card versus using the Apple Wallet, and the cash back benefits of the three options that you have. So we'll get into that. I'll tell you how you can sign up for the card if you haven't, and then we'll go ahead and we'll activate it, and I'll show you how easy it is and how simple Apple makes it. So this is the Apple Card, and let's take a first look. So let's open her up, we'll take a look, check out the build quality. I love doing unboxings. Unboxings are always a lot of fun. I love to see the care that companies put into the product, and unboxing the product is always part of the experience, and it's always a good time to check out an Apple product. So it comes in a white card. It's nice. It has the Apple logo on the front. I don't know if you could see it from that angle. Maybe from a different angle you could check out the Apple. It's like embossed in there. It's really nice. It's a nice matte white color. So you open her up and there's the card herself. Now these colors here are important. These colors on the card are important. It's kind of the rainbow colors, and we kind of believe that the new iPhone is going to have similar colors, but when you use the app, the wallet app in your phone, these colors all have meaning, and when you make purchases, the colors of the card in your wallet app change depending on how many purchases you make. When you first open the wallet app, as we will check out in a little while, it's just white, but we'll take a look at the card. And it's just, Apple always does a really nice job at boxing their products. You can tell they take great care in it, and it's just a great experience. It always is. And that's one of the main reasons that I did an unboxing for the credit card. But this is the card. Put this aside for now. It says on here, activate your card, open wallet app, and follow instructions. So we will take a look at that when we want to activate it. But this is the card. It's got a good weight to it. You can hear the sound, the titanium, and it's just really nice. There's no number. No numbers on here. It's got the name, laser engraved, the Apple logo. It's all laser engraved. You turn it around. The issuing bank for the card is Goldman Sachs, and the credit card company is a MasterCard. You got your stripe here, and overall it's a flex piece. It's a show piece. You pull this out of your wallet, you're gonna have people checking it out. But let's be real here. Apple does not want you using this. There are benefits to using the wallet app, and Apple wants to steer people towards using the wallet app. 1% right now of iPhone users, I think it's 1 or 1.5% of iPhone users right now, that's the number of people using the wallet app. So it's not a lot of people. So the cashback perks you're gonna get with this card are greater if you use the digital card in your wallet app compared to the physical card, this card right here. If you use this card on purchases, you get 1% cash back on every purchase. If you use the wallet app and you buy something, it's 2% cash back if you're using the digital card. And if you use the wallet app with the Apple Store, it's 3% cash back. So Apple is clearly creating a service. They're trying to generate income. iPhone sales have been down, and this is a way they're going to do it. This will bring in some cash, and it's very smart. It's a very smart move by Apple, and it's a showpiece. It's kind of a gimmick, but it is a service, and people will use it, and people will use it more to get their cash back in the wallet app. So Apple is steering people in a direction that they want them to go, and people will do it, and it will help Apple, and it will bring in some revenue. So it's a smart move. But let's take a look. We'll activate the card. Activate your card, open the wallet app, and follow instructions. Is there anything else in there? just that. So let's get the Wallet app. We'll check it out.
Go into the Wallet app. It's very easy to use. If you haven't signed up yet, you hit this plus button and you can go and sign up. I'm not going to do it since we already did that, but that is how you sign up. And you will receive an email confirmation letting you know once it ships. We will notify you, but there's the digital card. As I said, it is white right now, but it will change colors depending on how often you use the card. And once you click on it, the app is well done. It's very informative, very easy to use. And it says your Apple Card is ready to use. Get started using Apple Card with Apple Pay to get 2% daily cash on every purchase. So everything I buy, if I'm using the digital card, I get 2% daily cash, and it's instant. They send it to you right away, and they make it very simple. If you want to go in here, your card has been delivered. So down here, it says activate card. It is ready to activate. If you click on activate card, hold this iPhone near the packaging that came with the card. So we will do that. We will just hold it up. It says activate your card right away on the screen. So we will go and we will do that. Your card is ready. Very simple, very easy, and I would expect nothing less from Apple. Use your card everywhere. MasterCard is accepted and get 1% daily cash. So you can use the physical card and get 1% daily cash on every purchase. And again, you get it immediately. You can see transaction details and make payments in the wallet. If you click done, you go back here. If you click on the three little buttons in the top corner, it gives you your card information. It gives you your credit limit. You can schedule payments. You can call Apple and talk to customer service if you want. You can even come down here and click pay with passcode, and you could just do it that way if you want. It tells you if you have something to pay or if you don't. Your weekly activity, it'll tell you and list every purchase you have. When a payment is due, you can set up payments. It's just a very seamless app, and I would expect nothing less of Apple.
So this is the Apple Card, guys. It's titanium, well built, decent rewards. Use the wallet, get more cash back. If you got something that you got to buy from Apple, use the wallet there. 3% cash back directly in your pocket. It's instant. There are other metal cards out there, but this is an Apple Card. So if you want to show off, you want to flex a little bit, pick up the Apple Card, sign up through the wallet, and that's it, guys. Happy Labor Day. We'll be back with another video tomorrow, and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and we'll be back soon, guys. I'll talk to you. Peace.